Greetings my lovely, so today we are excited to be showing you the beautiful culture of Zambia. Over to you Zambia.
Okay, this is where we're living at the moment. Mbuya's place is down that way, and this is where we are. So we've got a nice gate. You come in and you have a nice carport there. You can drive, you can put in, what, 2-3 cars in here. And this is the front garden. You come in and got a nice big, what do you call it, water tank there, that's empty. So we are living at number 84. And yeah, let's take a look around. So it's a 3-bedroom bungalow with beautiful grounds all the way around. It's got a nice geyser, as they call it here. We call it water tank, hot water tank. So this is on the other side of it. As you can see, the sun is up. You've got your washing line here. This here is Theo's room. And here is Uncle Joe's room. In there. And then we come to the kitchen. There. And we've got the back door here, which is not opening at the moment. No, it's not opening at the moment. Okay, so that's the big water tank that we saw earlier, and it's got a pump down there to pump the water. So there's no water, there's no electricity at the moment, so no pump, and we have to well, do it our way. Anyway, let's take a look inside. So that's the main front door. You come into the living room, nice settees, and basically it's set up just like her grandma. Open plan kitchen, and nice granite worktops, beautiful granite worktops, really nice. You've got the rice cooker there, that's not going to be used, and you come into the hallway. So Uncle Joe's room, I think he's just had his wash, so let's leave that one out. This is the master bedroom, nice big wardrobe, what do you call that thing, mirror, bed there, and then the ensuite bathroom with a nice shower, which is not working, and yeah, so that's the master bedroom. And then we come out again, and that's the bathroom. Nope, Uncle Joe's finished. So that's the communal bathroom. Nice high ceilings, and you've got nice big wardrobe, got your ironing thing there. And yeah, that's it. Hi guys.
So guys, the transport has arrived to transport the family over to property number 2.
Okay, this is where we are. We're at number 26, and the whole of this floor we seem to have taken. Now if you look around you, you find the lake over there, that's the blue. But we get down these stairs like this, and we can head down this little alleyway that goes towards the lake, and there's this fork in the road. So if we take this fork here, it takes us down a bit further, which comes into another elevation that takes us down this slope here. And as you can see, everything else is getting a bit higher. And if we turn around, you can see the lake down there. Now that's the sunset here. So we're coming down the incline that goes straight into the lake. This is the Lake Kariba, and you can actually see the boats going out. So they start off to the right there and go to the left, and it's just beautiful, just beautiful. If you get a chance to come around here, I would recommend it to anybody. It's a wonderful little place. It's been well planned, and it's just executed just in such a way that you come here, you will know that you're in paradise. Alright, so this is the pool, up in the air pool. Got the lake going down there, and then we can go down the stairs. Quite steep stairs, and it goes right down to the road. Oof. Now this road leads to the lake, so you need to go down these stairs in a certain manner, otherwise you'll be going on steep ones. And that's the road that comes into the property. The reception is up that way, and we are up there, so we have to climb up another steep incline. You can see the lake is over there, and apartments up there with all the nice trees and stuff. Nice walkway, luscious green grass, and we're still going up the incline, and that's our apartment there with sliding doors. That's the walkway. Everybody else's apartments are all down here, up the stairs, and then number 26, that's where we are. Okay, so into our air-conditioned apartment. Oh, it's so nice to come into the air-conditioned apartment.